All right, guys. So in this problem, we have Samantha. She's filling up this pool. She doesn't know how much water is in there to begin with, but she has a gallon jug and she's dumping in 4 gallons every minute. We know the pool is 200, can hold 200 gallons, and she fills it up in 28 minutes. So that's pretty impressive. So we're going to write a linear equation that represents this situation. You can kind of imagine we have time, and that's going to be measured in minutes versus gallons. And as time goes on, gallons go up. We don't know what the starting gallon is, but we know that at some point we're going to reach a height of 200 here. So when they're looking for the variables here, the x, yeah, time in minutes, the y will be gallons. Okay, so let's go through this problem and see if we can figure out how much, like what information we can glean from it. So if we had a y-intercept in this problem, we would know something like the starting point, right? We don't know how much water is in this pool to begin with. So we don't have a y-intercept. All right, 0 for 1. Let's see if we have a slope. Slope would be if we knew how much she's filling up every minute. Well, if we look through, yeah, she's filling up the pool 4 gallons every minute, so we know our slope is 4. We also know that 28 minutes, her pool is filled up. So, at 28 minutes, her pool is filled up. So that's 2,200. So we don't need a second point. We've got a slope and a point, and we can write an equation with that information. So remember, our equation of line is y equals mx plus b. We were given the slope of 4 in the problem. So we know that all we need to figure out now is that b value. We figure out that b value, we're in. So we use our point to figure it out. X was 28 and y was 200. So I'm going to substitute those values in. So y, instead of y, I'm going to have 200. Everything else follows down here. 4, x is 28, and b is b. So now when I'm doing this problem, I'm just going to solve it regular, and I'm going to get 200 equals 4 times 28 is 112, I believe it is. I'm going to subtract 112 from each side, and I'll get b is 88. So if I look at my equation, I know that she's filling up 4 gallons every minute, and she must have started out with 88 gallons in there. If you look at the next two problems that they ask us about this one, they say, all right, can you find the linear equation? Bingo. What does the slope mean? Well, the slope is 4. That means every minute, 4 more gallons in the pool. Every minute, 4 more gallons in the pool. The y-intercept is this 88, and if we were to write it out, it'd be 0.88. This means at 0 minutes at the beginning, there were 88 gallons inside the pool. So that's our starting point.